What I love most about being a chef is constantly learning, evolving, getting to use my skill set and make it better and better every day. Also to be able to travel and work in some of the best restaurants in the world. For me, I became a chef through genuine interest and a natural progression through my parents. They were both chefs and I always grew up around food. I have a foundation degree in culinary arts. Without this course, I wouldn't have got the fundamentals and skills which have helped me develop and become a chef and evolve every day and keep learning. Our food ethos here at Eccles Hotel is garden to fork, picking the produce that morning, cooking it as fresh as possible, and supplementing from our polytunnels and the local flora and fauna of West Cork. To me, the fundamentals of becoming a great chef are determination and sticking power. It's also the ability to work in a team and make everything work together. My message to anyone thinking of a career in the culinary industry is definitely to pursue a degree, to set yourself up for the fundamental skills and allow yourself to grow and be the best you can.